What?
Oh, it's holographic too. If you look at it and you move it back and forth, the zebras move around. And so does the birds in the background.
Yep.
That's cool, ain't it? You know what we'll do later? We'll go get some construction paper and glue it together, and then you can hang it on the wall as a picture.
Huh? Right here.
What's this? It's sidewalk chalk. So you could draw pictures on the sidewalk.
Yeah. That's a tow truck. A tow
Yeah.
truck on the beach.
Oh, you got more, buddy. Before you get all interested in the tow truck and everything.
No.
Come on, shred it.
Hey,
I know one's my mom gave them.
Here, Mom. Hey, Daddy.
Hey, Gracie.
Look! The book!
Gracie,
It is
go get
a...
a trash bag,
Come on,
Julia.
shred it.
Go get trash bag.
It has doggies.
Jeez. Come on, buddy. Rip it. Shred it.
Joey!
You know what that's for?
What?
You can paint pictures of Big Hero 6.
Big Hero 6.
Yeah. But guess what? Hey.
That's weird. Dusty! Airplane!
If you want Daddy to read this to you later on tonight, okay?
Okay. It has Dusty.
Uh-huh.
And the bat plane. That's the bat plane.
All right.
Nana, Rachel.
You remember Nana Rachel?
Uh-huh.
You remember Papaw Rodney?
Uh-huh.
This is from them. So say thank you and say you in the camera.
Turn around.
Thank you.
Say love you guys.
Love you guys.
Miss
Merry
you.
Christmas.
Miss you.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Okay, now shred it. Shred it. Oh, wait a minute. We gotta do the Nana Rachel tradition.
It is a... Put it in.
Oh, what is it?
Uh,
Oh, what is it?
it's a Spider-Man.
You blow it up and you start beating people with it. It's a Spider-Man stick. Boom, 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 boom.
Sticks.
All right, here's the other one.
I'll put it right there.
Oh, let's see if we can get this bow to stick on you.
No.
Yeah. Leave it on there, buddy.
Why?
Nana Rachel does it all the time.
Got to you.
There you go. Leave it. Leave it. Ah. It's not gonna hurt when it comes off, okay?
I don't even know. I want it off.
Oh, all right. There's a spot right here. It's already ripped. Shred it. Shred it. Shred it.
It's a backpack.
What is it?
It's a family backpack. It has one wings crunching on it.
Randy Orton.
Randy Orton.
Now, when you go back to school, you can use it. Is that cool?
Yeah. Get your toe.
All right. That's it for Nana Rachel, I believe.
Where's Nana Barb?
This was from Nana Barb. Shred it.
He's gonna have to shred it.
Whoa, she's double wrapped. Like she did to mine.
Oh! Look at that. Triple wrap it. Oh!
What's that? It's a tractor! I got a tractor!
It's a John Deere.
Hey, my favorite tractor! I put it by here,
Hey, where's that tow truck, man?
It's mine!
Is that Redbird Country Towing?
No, it's a Joey.
Here, let me show you how that works.
Joey.
Here, watch. Watch this.
Joey.
It goes like this. You bring it up and down with these. Here's the winch. See?
Good job.
This one's from Daddy.
Here, give it.
Ready? Shred it.
It's a Hot Wheels. Hot Wheels.
Come on. Shred it more.
The Hot Wheels.
She eliminated.
I like it.
You know, right here, you remember how Daddy always said you needed a full track to actually play with the Hot Wheels? Well, guess what? Now we got one.
Yeah.
We can set it up in the living room and play with the Hot Wheels all night. don't know, buddy. That looks like a Phantom.
Two race cars.
Yeah. Alrighty.
Joey. This is from Nanny Farm.
This is right here is from Pap Pap and Nana Barb. Shred it. Oh, see that? She put more on it. Shred it. There you go. What's that?
It's a traitor.
What's it for?
A tractor. A John Deere. Joey.
Get it.
John Deere. Yeah. Let me help you. It's a cornfield.
Now,
Now you got a work tractor.
this is from
This is the same person.
this is from the same people. Pap Pap and Nana Barb, okay? See right here? Shred it.
Shred it. Shred it. Shred it. Shred it. Shred it.
Shred it wide open. Shred it wide open.
Before he gets the last one, there's a big one back there.
It's a... Yes, I can play with this all the time too!
Well, what is it?
A card! What?
Alrighty, let's see what
Hey,
else you got.
Joey, why don't you say thank you to Nanny Barb and Papo Jim?
But there's still a lot more.
Yeah, there's still one more.
The thing is about it, he can actually go up and say it to him in person.
Yeah.
Rich, shred it. Come on.
That's from Nanny
You
and
ain't gonna hurt it.
Papo.
Shred it. Hey,
They're playing with these straps.
come on. Shred it. Move. Move. Joe. Hey.
Bye bye,
come on, shred
kitty.
Julie, when I correct the cat, you baby it, it's still gonna do it.
it. What's that?
That's what Holosopa?
Is it?
Yeah.
What's that?
Minions!
Minions.
Minions.
That's cool, ain't it?
Joey,
Guess what?
that was from them.
Let's see. This one from Daddy. Shred.
It's an elf. What?
It's an elf game.
Elf game?
Uh-huh. It's a hide and seek. Family fun. You hide the elf and you try to find it.
Hide the elf and then you try to find it?
Yeah, it's like a scavenger hunt. Which your last gift is actually a scavenger hunt.
That's from Nanny and Papo.
Shred it.
Shred
Shred it. Shred it. There we go.
What is it? It's a gun! It's a gun! Oh yeah! Well, that's the gun I wanted! What is it? What gun is it, Jojo?
These are the guns that actually go pop, pop.
Here, Joe.
They're the toy guns that go pop, pop. But you've got to put these in it. Okay?
I still load them in there.
I'll show you. When we're done opening up everything, I'll show you how to do it, okay?
This one is from me, Bubby.
At the Joseph A. Bank after Christmas
And I wrapped
sale,
it
get 75% off all suits,
It's
sweaters,
a
sweaters, and outerwear. 50% off all dress shirts, ties, sports shirts, and pants. Plus, get an extra 50% off all clearance.
You like it,
Only
Bubby?
At Joseph A. Bank.
Love it.
All right, this one is from Daddy and Mommy both.
Thinking about all the money
Okay.
you saved by
What is that?
Hotel
Oh,
together.
thanks! Oh, I got zombie strike!
making sure
I knew you'd love that one.
first trip
It's zombie
to
strike!
the kingdom.
It's a great digger.
Ask Gravedigger's
Technology
boy.
connecting you
That's
to
his
what
son.
matters.
Joey. Superman.
Superman.
What do you think of those?
Who is this?
That's Goldberg.
Goldberg?
Yeah.
I know he was in the monster camp.
Oh, yeah. What do you think of those?
They're nice.
They're nice.
Yeah.
This is Nanny and Pat Pat. Or Nanny or... Oh. This is from Mammo and Papo.
That is Cobra?
Come on, shred it. Shred it. Don't be nice, shred it.
It's a spine.
We do.
Shred it. Yeah, and guess what kind? It's a Kenworth. When you see that big KW on the hood. They're actually pretty good trucks, buddy.
Yeah?
But they're not Daddy's favorite. Daddy's favorite's a Peterbilt. Shred it. Shred it. I'll tell you in a minute. It's from Mommy and Daddy. But who's on the clock?
And this is from Santa.
Santa. Look at those race cars.
Didn't you say you wanted a blue car?
Yeah.
What do you think of that?
Nice. Oh.
Yeah.
Lanterns.
Oh.
Just picked up a hot and ready pizza at Little Caesars.
This one's from Santa. Shred it. Shred it. Come on, shred it.
It's H.H. Greg's after Christmas sale. One day, Saturday.
You know what it is?
What?
It's called a rubber band gun.
Band.
You shoot rubber bands with it.
Hey, Joey.
Yeah.
With it.
You know what we're going to do with it?
What?
You remember all those cats that get on Daddy's porch? And they always go around tearing up the trash? I'm going to take you out there and you can shoot them with a rubber band gun. How's that?
Joey, look at it. Done.
Ah,
I can attack it.
Go.
put that down there.
Wait, there's another one.
Uh-oh.
What?
This one's from Nana and Papa. And it's got some weight to it. Shred it.
Ooh. Shred.
Shred it.
It is soap. It's soap.
Is it?
Spider-Man soap. See?
Spider-Man.
Thomas.
A Thomas.
It's Thomas.
But it's not only soap. It's a bubble bath. You can get bubbles in your bath.
Ooh. Remember when I had the Met?
You remember all the bubbles and they go in the water and stuff? That's
Tell
what
me
that
you want
is.
to smell it. See if it smells good.
Here, open it. Here, you.
Smells good.
Does it? Okay.
Daddy, don't do it like
Tell
that.
him-
shut it.
Shut that.
Wait. Says it's from Daddy. Shred it.
It's just Spider-Man.
Was it the last one or what?
No, there's another one.
What the hell's the matter with them?
Had that thing before?
Yeah, but you needed a new one
Why?
because your old one went bad. All right. That's what it says from Dad. Hit it. Come on. Ah. Shred. Shred. Want Daddy help you?
He's trying to help play.
You want me to help you?
Yeah.
Okay.
Then
See how you got that corner up like that?
What's it?
What kind?
I don't know. The kind. Like a gold one?
Yeah. Actually, I believe this one was actually from Mommy.
What did we get?
It's a glow stick. And who's that?
Raphael and that.
No, that's Michelangelo.
Michelangelo?
Yeah. Alrighty. This one says Daddy. Shred it. Shred it. Shred it.
Monster truck. It's another monster jam. Hot Wheels monster
Ah,
jam. Who is it?
it's called Outlaw.
I got a big outlaw at Papa Joe's.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Now you have a little
Now you got a
outlaw.
little one. You can play with the other little ones like it.
And I have
Hey. Dad. Shut it! Come on, you got it cornered open! Yeah, it's a little semi, so when you play with your little cars going around in the living room and stuff, you got the semi to go with them.
Why?
Well, you don't want to play with the semi?
I do.
Okay.
What does the semi do?
He doesn't really do a whole lot, but you can put cars in the back of them.
How?
Because the back door opens.
But the little cars can fit in there, not the big cars.
Alright, open it up.
So where's it from?
I'll tell you when we open it.
It's a semi.
Mm-hmm.
It's one of the semi things. It's one of those things semi things. This one's a car harder.
Uh-huh. But guess what this one does? Hit the button.
Which one?
This one's from Mommy and Daddy, both.
I actually like that truck a lot. Me too.
But see, you get little road signs with it, all the way around, all the construction signs, and then you get little cars.
This one is
A road sign.
6 cars.
Put that down there. Alright, that was from Nana, Barb, and Pat Pat.
This is one too huge. This is huge. Tear it open, tear it open.
2.
It is huge. I wonder what it is. It's a Santa Claus.
Oh, you got me.
Here, Joe. Why don't you throw some of that in here? Here, I'll get it. Go. Go.
Yeah!
What do you think of that, Joey?
Nice.
When we go to play with our little cars and stuff, we can put farm animals out there and think we're driving through the country.
Huh?
Just like we do down here, huh? You see all the cows and the piggies and everything else. Yeah?
Okay.
Alright.
And it has 2 horses.
Alright, hold on. No. Give this to Julie, because this one right here is what you and Mommy got for Julie.
Well, that's cool.
You, me, and Mommy. Hold on. Yeah. This one's from us. You gotta give it to Ruthie.
No, my presents. No, not all of them. Why? That's from Mom, me, and Daddy.
More nail stuff. Come here.
Now, scavenger hunt time.
Give me a gazette.
It's better next time.
You gotta go find one present that's not wrapped up, okay?
But it's anywhere in the house.
But it can be anywhere in the house.
You gotta look everywhere.
Alright, you ready? Where are you gonna start looking?
The toy box?
How about we give you one clue?
What?
It does bounce.
No! You're supposed to give them one clue. Alright? It's not in the living room. Okay? So now where are you gonna look?
Upstairs.
Okay.
Let's go.
Go! Go, Daddy. I have stuff on Daddy. Where is it? Where is it?
Oh, you were warm.
What?
You were warm.
Find a staircase. It's going to
You're getting warm. You're getting warmer. Oh, you're getting colder.
closer.
You're getting colder. You're walking away.
Hark the...
What?
What direction were you getting warmer in?
Wait. Where? Here?
You're getting warmer. Getting warmer. You're warmer. Oh my God, you're on fire! Who's on it?
Making you clean. It's about to run out.
Hey, Joey.
Doink, doink.
You gonna say your thing?
What?
I came in like a bouncing ball. Huh?
Jump, jump, jump.
All right. We got a couple more. We gotta get your stocking. Gotta sing it.
I can walk like bouncy ball. I can walk like a bouncy ball. Where was it, Joey?
All right. Now we gotta find your stocking.
Oh, still you outside?
Where's your stocking?
Yeah, I'm done now. If you want to
Joey?
All right.
Where's your stocking?
Tell Ruth to give you your stocking back.
Give me my stocking back. I got doggy.
Well, what's that?
Oh, yeah? Well, I know the Honda is her. He said there's a Honda and a Ford Escape with about 6 people hanging out front of the police.
Coloring book.
So, yeah, they're assholes.
Hold. Hold.
4 guys and 2 girls. So, alright.
What is this?
I figured
The
they had
Escape is her
somebody by.
the Escape's her brother.
So, I figured they had somebody standing by to try to bully Zach.
No tractor.
The
Alright,
tractor.
thanks for letting me know. Alright. No, I'm alright. I'll be out. One's a ball headed with ponytail. That's cool.
Come on, get him out.
It's stuck in there.
Let me see it. Let me see it. Is it?
Who is that guy?
Mater.
Let's see.
Mater.
You got more?
Mater. Mater, the little tow truck.
Daddy's trying to get them up a little bit so they're easier for you to grab. Get him.
It's Bob.
Bob?
Yes, Bob. Bob. Who is this guy? It is Stewart.
No. Actually, I forget what his name is. There's another
Steve.
one.
Steve.
Yeah, that's Steve.
Steve. No Stewart?
Stewart has 2 eyes.
That's Stewart.
This one's
Either that or that one's Bob. I don't know.
Bob
I think
is
Stewart's got 2
Bob's
eyes.
short.
Yeah. Yeah, those are Bob's. Both of them are. That's it, buddy.
You know what these are, Bob?
All right, what do you tell everybody?
Thank you.
And
Thank you.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
say love you.
Love you.